So you're the proud owner of a brand new dog whistle. Congratulations. You're in for a good bit of fun. This operates on a very specific frequency and sends a signal to a very precise set of ears. It's important to visualize your audience. Well, here goes.
Show his birth certificate. Perhaps it's going to say Kenya.
Watch again.
This is an invasion.
Bad hombres.
Rapists.
Invite MS-13 to live next door.
Whoa!
Minorities living in suburbia, low-income housing.
Crime will rapidly rise. Totally destroy the beautiful suburbs. Suburbia. Thug.
Animals.
Antifa.
Black Lives Matter.
Five people! Come on, five people!
Pocahontas. Kung Flu.
If your intent is clear, your message will get through.
Law and order. Law and order.
Law and order.
Militia! Militia!
The Lincoln Project is responsible for the content of this advertising.